How to heat shrink rear window using MotoShield Pro Nano Ceramic Tint. Before we get started, be sure to have the recommended tools. Do not use fabric softener sheets. Spray tint solution and wipe window clean from any dust or dirt. Evenly lay the tint film on the rear windshield. You may need to cut some excess film if tint is not pre-cut. The tint film is almost ready to begin heat shrinking. Create H pattern on glass to help keep film in place during heat shrinking. Use heat gun at 200 degrees Fahrenheit and begin horizontally along the H. Heat shrinking is all about reading the film. Never apply heat for more than 4 seconds in any area. Applying heat will eliminate air pockets known as fingers. Begin to apply heat on top portion of the film. Always be sure to be at least 4 inches away from film. Once fingers begin to look squiggly, use squeegee to flatten film. Note, one of the most common mistakes is pushing down on fingers way too far on areas that are not completely heat shrink. This is known as a steamer roller crease. Be patient and careful not to do this, as it causes the film to fold on itself, causing it to look like a clipped fingernail. You can use the pull heat shrink method on difficult outer areas. Gently pull on the tint and apply light heat, then squeegee down the film. You will begin to see the film mold onto the surface. Using the same process, begin on the lower section. Entire tint film must be heat shrink to ensure proper fit. Once film is flat, begin to blade away excess tint film, only if not pre-cut. Once cut to window size, your tint is ready to be installed.